Alright, anyway, and we are kwaba porcupine stand. And you also now question of the day, very simple as usual. Now the quick. Now the question of the day no is around a year in Koma El Koso and Koma e Babidino. And ye Jim adventure. Now adventure ni tiawa. Asante Kotoko players had a meeting with Nana Penkrakwesi Yewa. Na ene ye bisa nto na nsane ye beko meeting no munchichi na ye bisa o so wanya akwanya na wo hia Asante Kotoko players then na obeka akere omo what will be the question na obe bisa omo as at the current state of Kotoko's performance question then na obe bisa omo na uwie mpa then I was catch on say what the other catch you be, but why me actually no. Any what the other be question. You are being given the opportunity to ask because you know this platform. There a lot of research for the club. So put your questions and Kawunya Kotoko play a crowd, pe crowd between a two in the assume sinkabe be sent a same way. And assume sinkabe can't sing at Chemistro and I need the Temebana sa. Na amano boys no more copy send the aquayana on them we are some edit as I had. Well, this is the place to be, and I'm waiting for your comments. This weekend, Nana up and crack Kwesiwa. The head of Asante Kotoko IMC Nyanintie say on Asante Kotoko players edin American and Samu Bibia Akwaba. Now in Shiamono, it had to do with the current state of the club and the performance of the club. But Yan Kan say Asante Kotoko ebebo Bechem United this Saturday. Yeah, the live commentary ever bro. Our platform you so live commentary bro our platform you so yes me catch them say you move to the next level ti ya fix bibia na many ya boafo ya ntoa so na Bechem United yem fan to teams and the FA Cup am lose o many ambrese krodom during the week you be come aso ye na didi on this platform you get all the news some training news and their possible lineup in the bro whilst we speak to our brothers in Bechem. Now, young can be being to Kumasi Asante Kotoko players. You are not the meeting and some lecture. When you get the chance to play for Kotoko, mo comments no me amedi ka kamedia kra sana maba the meeting so. When you get the chance to play for Kotoko, you should be serious. You live in a mansion. Not to say I envy them, and not to say it's the best. Okay. But the standard of football in Ghana, baby, are we a player? Obetna. I'm Wasuma Joe. I'm with me see a Kama Asante Kotoko club not provided. You see, and you'll be an inanasa. Amount for be a queer juma. Obedura adwuma na ne money e bad obehwehwe mu na ne 2 years rent advance aso rent advance ne so a sika na obehia ndi akọ rent no nya bi ana wanya bi kura na dan na ope wo baabi e ben na adwuma mu wonya tina ato ne adwendwen na ne tiye ne ya agent for be ju sika edisa. I remember trying to get a place for my studio. Agent for Beju Sika because you need a specific location. Closer to the opposite. So when you get a job, and somehow is secure that is an organization you need to reward them with hard work. Baby Abedano or rent catered for. And you may be crowd here. Some electric cars because of Kotoko's sponsorship with High Sense. provided will be abetna. Yes, a Jumakuno, you. A boat too giddy pa. Why heavy? Now say ye, maybe a light bill, water bill, crown send ya. No organization now send Tiamawa. Wow, Sheme, how many of us are working in institutions are these kind of incentives. Now when in every a brasona will quite Juma. I know it's a bit common. There are so many organizations that will quite Juma Bedruna card be quite Jumanisi or town. I do be Kodwaba. But Usenya no can rent insuo and all these incentives. It means that a organization you should do everything possible to maintain your position there, work hard, and even before say you move to a bigger place where offer will be much better. But you don't relax to the extent that it can affect your stay organization and walk backwards. Because checking the Ghana football system backwards clubs states now players terrible. Therefore, you should make sure say ube cement her. Now crowns am when you kahamo ube ye no akọ, because when you watch the life of Moro Okonoba, where Azaka Bello Okonoba, say Oshe Agadas Obeba, ube changes when you pan a life. So you need to work hard. Say Juma ku ya o san ya Juma man. Na bosume be son wa ketua na yetua no quick. U bonus yetua no quick. Upra ebra wo ye adwuma club ni nya abotra hyewa umfe diagro. This is normal in football when it comes to the world of football, but in Ghana entisa players ni mu bi wo ho amo wo ha clubs na mobon. With all due respect, mu bi pre bi amunya ye no club na train ho anhwemo. Nancy Enyan in Legon City's place or Munko training because in Tuamoka there 3 months. Intimate who feel Legon City's in the back of. I don't want to single you out, but I'm using you as an example. Kimfesa, they were at a point. League never query, yeah. Oh, I like the on my common though, but incentives to work Kimfesa, and maybe no Kotoko. Kimfesa the end was from Kotoko, the end was so. You can't compare the own entire lives to Asante Kotoko. The old Accra Lions didn't compare Kotoko. The old Media Mount didn't compare Kotoko. And Tisawa Baha as a so year Jumaden. Wafa didn't compare Kotoko. Division 2 ni Division 1 for no crowd there. Mumubu amoko bomba chana club owner no busumi muni salary. On the person be a match who go ye no amount 200. In two baby our salary ye dia 200 man saying na obedia u diagro. But mudi diagro a good day na mudidi. You are not being serious. Supporters nenya break sometimes scratching mu players ni bia mudina park no so amobobo. Now, we've complained about officiating. Amama from Wadi. No doubt about it. There have been instances of officiating here. Terrible. I do how I see a share referee. Then they see ya now with the ball never. But we also cannot sweep away the poor performance of some of you guys. After say the Ghana standard, we do Surona. You should be targeting bigger and better places. You are putting up performance. When you sit and think about it, you don't deserve to be here. So we are telling some of you, Samam Pejak Mumodi Monu. Now we ni say na season be ye. Na club ni decide so oja movie kwaya. Yen can be mamu. Say we don't support 15 in brand here. But it do baby, I'm money nya to the extent say Your both player begins here not to transfer. You struggle to get matches out boy within the season. Now, ubit media defend the player and say, "Obo way, ni say, oh, they don't consider me a man another chance to stay." It becomes difficult. Recently, Justice Blay, the contract there were supporters as solid and said, "This is a player who deserves a contract extension." Some move from media houses to media houses. Justice Blay Scaben or why we treat Yama, our supporters on Kokebiman. But amount for share, they were in the and they could count his commitment. They could count matches about club. Therefore, amount for sorry command. Players they were mumbisa mo say. And now Samesia, na club ni jamo kwaya. Why never sorry akwama? Onimu obo onim blader, but he was writing articles to defend Blay and why the club need to extend his contract. Mubu abibisa abetimi esi amam. Bibisa abetimi esi. Enti munja rough no. Sabe. Na mumpeja ball your salaries is coming on time. There are fans, supporters. They come to the venue to watch you guys. Some of them are well in some money year. They will bet me if you be in the transportation, the amount of Jeffako. Why be a open a bus the Ocon or no bet me a year amount? What is his joy? The joy in answer club or passion. And yes, so could this be. And yes, so your command promotion you are the original or party and to the original. So people sacrifice without thinking for you guys. Tibetan Bono, we talk about Coach Ogum, but let's also tell you guys, say, Asante Kotoko chita for be brina. Omonya team ninkuni diamo day na eluku complete. There are people are Kotoko matches, their day, their week is not complete. Go and do it for those people. Namunjai a good deal, no. As a IMC, as a family, munjai. Namubi oha one she ya. Sama mboni ye na se Kotoko jamwa. Ebia baby ambe kono. Baby ambe bo Kotoko diaka. I say mistake. See ba ya mboni ye. Na pen krane boys ni shia. Na see a footwo no na more. The players were given an opportunity, according to my sources, to tell the management or the IMC what is wrong with them. On said, when you first share more, your mama pine up and in a casa. Now, ye be a floor no, will be answering again. And from what I was told, it looks like as will be answered answering again. Now, and I think, sir, can a papemu at this meeting should have been a one-on-one, where people have the confidence that Yomobe Kano, it will stay there. And from what I'm speaking, the meeting happened without the head coach, the technical team no money ho. But you and I will know, say, the technical team need ho there. But definitely there will be players or people on board system where they come be able to be anchor technical team in the better. So I think saying can papa mua commercial players one-on-one shiao kwasi nusu no aba na wachechire mu say ni ya obrobe no aba one-on-one wachechire mu say the Roman for ekosia father ya confession na nkoma keka. With that, I believe say amount for being GD that the umbe can be kawa and people would have voiced out what is wrong with them so that can happen crabenya the right solutions. It's still not late, but I think saying I will try that approach. It will not be bad. Again, the players through Danlad Ibrahim, according to my sources, assured an happen crack say despite Oman Kasabibrino, they assured him they will work hard and try and redeem the image of Asante Kotoko in the coming matches and that club name. They will do that and Ombema Omonsa AC from or Mujumedia Akem. So that is it. That's the meeting. And na subsequent videos no ye be wura mu yi na de akemu nyina no ye de abro. But the players assured the management of a positive results ewo de ebe koso ewo mu game a omo bebo ewo ye bechem against Bechem United. Na menka ho, ahanam de wesi. Bye bye.